Yo, yo, yo. All right, so it's Christmas time, and that means aluminum tins with popcorn. I mean, we're talking about buttery and then cheesy, but best of all, caramely. Oh, who else can eat an entire tin in one sitting? That can't just be me, right? I can't be the only one. It's probably just me. Yeah. But best of all, who saves the caramel for last so they can savor every single kernel? Oh. But most of all, who knew that you didn't have to wait for Christmas time for it? I found a recipe so we can enjoy caramel popcorn year-round. Welcome to my kitchen. There's no more of an introduction needed here, so let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. You wanna have pre-popped popcorn, about 5 quarts. Now 5 quarts equals just about 3/4 of a cup of unpopped popcorn. And of course, you wanna sift through it to make sure that there are no kernels. You're just gonna place that popcorn in a very large bowl and we're gonna set aside. Now in a medium pot, we're gonna melt 1 cup of butter, or 2 sticks, on a medium heat. Now once that's melted, we're gonna stir in 2 cups of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and a teaspoon of salt. Now stirring constantly, we're gonna bring this mixture to a boil. Now once it's at a boil, we're gonna allow it to boil without stirring for about 2 to 4 minutes. And you wanna make sure you watch this because you don't want it to burn. Then we're just gonna remove this from the heat and we're gonna stir in a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that really well. All right, then we're gonna pour this mixture slowly over the popcorn. And then we're gonna stir it to coat. Now just make sure you kind of work quickly because you don't want the caramel to become too stiff. Now we're just gonna place the popcorn in 2 large, shallow, parchment-lined baking dishes. Now I didn't line mine with parchment, but you'll definitely want to line yours with parchment just because it'll make it easier to clean up later. And then we'll bake these for 1 hour, stirring every 15 minutes. Then you just remove this from the oven and allow it to cool completely before breaking into pieces. And there you have it, caramel deliciousness in a bowl. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you definitely want to make this caramel popcorn, or if you are also one who eats an entire aluminum tin in one sitting. I need to know. I can't be the only one, right? Anyways, you can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.